Dear learner, welcome to in the another video of Operation Research. In this video, we are going to discuss about tools or techniques of Operation Research. You already know Operation Research is a research on operations that indicates the approach as well as the area of operations or area of application in which field we have to apply which tool or techniques or method of operation research. Operation research deals with positive decision making in every sphere of life. The tools or techniques of operation research is a mixture of various methods, various techniques, but which technique, when to use, how to use is always depend upon the credibility and expertise of the operation researcher. Now, move further. OR techniques. So, operation research is an analytical method of problem solving and decision making that is useful in the management of organizations in the every sphere of life. Operation research experts has a wide array of methods and techniques available for solving the problems. So the list I'm going to discuss with you, that list is not exhaustive itself. Again and again, time and time, new techniques will be added in this list. So let's start exploring the things. So first technique in this operation search tools and technique, linear programming. So linear programming is a mathematical technique which developed by B. Dantjing regarding how we can do optimization of resources under a certain conditions. So these techniques involve regarding profit maximization, cost minimization, demand of the product, raw material availability, and other things are there. So linear programming basically related with how to how to make a decision in a particular situation. Every organization have to make a decision how to allocate their limited resources in a proper manner. No organization is having uh, maximum or unlimited resources. Every organization has to use its scarce resources in a proper manner. Linear programming or independent activities in a linear programming. This method developed by Dantjing in 1947 for military operations. The linear is a relationship between two or more variables in which that relation is directly or proportional. For example, if we say if we increase production hours of, for example, 5%, then with the increase in the production hours, the output of operations or the productivity of the employee will also increase in the same proportion, or the profitability of the organization will increase in the same proportion. So linear programming is having a method of graphical methods and simplex, two-phase simplex duality is there. So that is the linear programming technique we can use in operation research. Next one is sequencing theory. So sequencing theory is used in case of job and machines when there the work is to be performed in a sequence. So sequencing is related with selection of things in a proper manner. Sequencing theory is also called waiting line theory. For example, if machine 1 6 job is to be performed, if on machine 1 job 1 is complete, then job 2 will start, and similarly other thing is there. So sequencing is developed to find out a solution in a sequence for processing the job so that total elapsed time कैन बी मिनिमाइज और आइडियल टाइम को आप मिनिमाइज कर सको। ये एक कन्फ्लिक्ट को रिजॉल्व करती है। कन्फ्लिक्ट किसके रिगार्डिंग होगा? वन साइडेड आपके पास कन्फ्लिक्ट है कि आपने मशीन की जो कैपेसिटी है उसको मैक्सिमम यूज करना है। जब आप उसको मैक्सिमम यूज कर रहे हो तो ये भी ध्यान रखना है कि कोई भी मशीन या वर्कर आइडल ना हो, आप प्रोडक्टिविटी को सही तरीके से यूज कर सको। अब ये सीक्वेंसिंग थ्योरी कहाँ कहाँ पे यूज हो सकती है? जैसे एयरक्राफ्ट हैं, पेशेंट वेट कर रहे हैं, टेस्ट इन हॉस्पिटल, एयरक्राफ्ट वेटिंग फॉर लैंडिंग, सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स वी यूज देयर sequencing theory. The next one is ट्रांसपोर्टेशन प्रॉब्लम। ट्रांसपोर्टेशन प्रॉब्लम बेसिकली रिलेटेड होती है कि प्रोडक्शन सेंटर और कंजम्पशन सेंटर के बीच किस तरीके से आपने उन चीजों को मैनेज करना ताकि जो डिस्टेंस है वो मिनिमाइज हो सके, टोटल कॉस्ट को मिनिमाइज कर सकें। सो ये इसका बेसिक पर्पस क्या होता है कि जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है फ्रॉम वन प्रोडक्ट source of origin to the source of destination, from the production to the consumption, that is the example we can solve the things in a proper way. Then thereafter assignment problem. असाइनमेंट बेसिकली डील करती है, एक स्पेशल लीनियर प्रोग्रामिंग प्रॉब्लम होती है जिसमें आप ये देखते हो कि आपने वेरियस रिसोर्सिस को किस तरीके से एलोकेट करना है कि एक टाइम के ऊपर वन टू वन टाइम और कॉस्ट इन्वॉल्व होते हैं उनको मिनिमाइज किया जा सके, आपका प्रॉफिट मैक्सिमाइज हो और कॉस्ट मिनिमम हो। सो बेसिकली ये राइट मैन एट द राइट प्लेस उसको हम यूज करते हैं इन केस ऑफ असाइनमेंट। मार्केटिंग में इसको यूज किया जाता है कि जहां पर हम उनकी टेरिटरी फिक्स करते हैं कि उन्होंने सेल किस हिसाब से करनी है। देन इसमें हंगेरियन मेथड यूज किया जाता है असाइनमेंट प्रॉब्लम है। देन देयर आफ्टर क्यू मॉडल इज देयर। Queue theory is basically related with waiting time is there, service time is there. For example, you go to barber shop, you go to bank, you go to fill the electricity bill in the electricity department. So all these type of thing is queue. Then longer the queue, greater the service time, that will create a problem for organization. So in queue theory, what you have to do, in queue theory you have to try to minimize the waiting time and increase the service time. You have to give the service at the first, जैसे आप कहीं जाते हो तो वो कहते हैं सबसे पहले फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट सर्व या लास्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट। यू कैन डू द थिंग्स इन दैट वे। सो उसके केस में आप क्यू थ्योरी को अप्लाई कर सकते हो। Then next thing is under this tools and techniques of OR, game theory. Game theory is used for decision making under conflict where two or more players are playing the game. Each one is having the chances to win the game, and the game theory provide a solution in a particular theory of conflict। वहाँ अनसर्टेनिटी है, conflict है, वहां पे गेम थ्योरी आपको एक प्रॉपर सिचुएशन प्रोवाइड करती है। So in this video we are going to cover up to this. In the next video, for a remaining part of tools and techniques we can discuss. Thank you.